here we have this question. It says line J is parallel to the line of the given equation. Line J also passes through this point. So first of all, we want to find line J. Okay, and it is parallel. So the slope here is going to be 1/2. So the slope of J has to be the same, also 1/2. Okay, because they're going to be parallel. Then we have to find the y-intercept. This is x, this is y. You can see a shortcut, but I'm going to do it the long way. Okay, so we have the slope. Now we want to find the y-intercept. Y equals mx plus b. We have y is 3, m is 1/2, x is 0 plus b. This cancels, 3 equals to b. So the equation would be y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. That is line J that is parallel and that passes through that point. Next, let's do this one. Okay. This slope is 5/3. The slope of the slope of J has to be the same because they're going to be parallel. All you have to do is get x and y. So x equals to 5, y equals to 1. So y equals mx plus b. Y is 1, m is 5/3, x is 5 plus b. Oh wow, this is interesting. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25/3 plus b. If you minus 25/3 to both sides, you get 1 minus 25/3 is equal to b. Oh man, that just gets sloppy. So this becomes 3/3, becomes negative 22/3 is the b term. So the equation would be y is equal to 5/3 x minus 22/3.